Yeah. No!
Hindi mo ba na
Pinanasan mo nga eh, oh. Ay, hindi na.
Hindi pa natin masasabi kung mag-escalate further yung activity. But we will watch closely, monitor closely activities like increasing number of earthquakes, pamamaga ng busan, then we may receive alert tools. But right now, based on current parameters, not alert level 1 pa rin.
At pagdating naman po sa bansalang lahat, may mga namomonitor na rin ba tayo kung sa ashfall, may lahat na
Hindi ka na pumiyahe?
Most likely pwedeng ma-generate as lahar yung mga deposit.
31?
Gatorade has more inside it to help you find more inside you.
Huwag kang bato ng bato, baka naman ang TV. Ito, mga marunong.
It's about that time. The West is and the battle is about to go back. Top-seeded Thunder, young, fearless, and ready to strike. Houston's got the fire, and they're about to go deep. The Lakers know who's the coach, and they know how to win.
Baka kapag siya kababasa pati ng paa pagka nag-uwis ng pwesa, no?
The LA Clippers clicking at the right time.
Ay, tinatawanan ka tayo.
Ant-Man on the rise, and Minnesota's in the playoffs fight.
Hey!
Sleep on Golden State. Still coming in the bag.